Hello everyone, this is Tamara Lee Ulmer and Tiffany McDaniel. We are here in beautiful Alpine Village this morning getting ready to show you this new property listing at 406 West St. Moritz. And wow, this is a super buy. It is the lowest price per square foot in Alpine Village, $389,000. We're getting ready to take you for a tour. This is a really exciting property. All right, so really a nice deck here. We're walking up into the property.
Come on in.
Yeah, this is exciting. Okay, so really a nice open, spacious living area when you first walk in.
New flooring in the last 2 years.
Okay, really nice there. Wow. And I love the flooring. It's really
Got a really big
rustic.
dining living area with the wood burning stove.
Okay.
And then just over here, this little cubby. We won't go up there today, but it is the attic space up there is the length of the home, and you can stand up in there. Excuse me. I think it would easily be converted into maybe a home office or possibly even additional living space.
Sure.
There's potential there.
Okay. And so walking over here into the kitchen.
We're just a little over 1,500 square feet. The countertops and the stainless steel appliances are new.
Okay.
Lots of cabinet space.
Yeah. So that's really nice and spacious kitchen, which I love.
Got a nice pantry.
Yeah, okay.
And you've got your utility room.
All right. And
with the sink.
Yeah, with the sink, that's nice.
And then you've got a nice 2-car garage.
Okay. Yeah, really nice and spacious. All right. Okay.
And then you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. On the hall to your right is bathroom number 1.
Okay.
Which it is a full bathroom.
Yeah. That is really nice.
And then this is the main bedroom, which is huge.
Yeah, it is really nice sized.
Cedar lined walk-in closet.
Oh, that's super nice. Yeah, you can smell that when you open the door. That's really spectacular. Okay.
And then the main bathroom has a walk-in shower.
Okay. So you have your walk-in shower there. That's really nice. And I can't believe it for the price. I mean, one of the lowest priced properties in here, right?
It is the lowest price property.
The lowest price property in Alpine Village. Really a nice custom home only subdivision.
And outside, I know we didn't spend a lot of time out there. There's tons of room. You can park an RV. This can be a primary, secondary, or even a short-term rental or long-term rental home.
Okay.
So lots of opportunity there.
Yeah.
And the seller just, she moved to the valley to be with her kids and grandkids. And it's just, it really is the best buy in Alpine Village right now.
Sure.
Nice covered porch.
Yeah. It's really nice.
The backyard is fenced.
Okay. And a really nice sized yard.
Yeah. And then around the east side of the home, there is a large workshop, storage area with electricity. And I I urge you to reach out to us and give us a call, schedule your showing. The opportunity, you know, in this market for pretty much instant equity is there. This is a really, this home is priced to sell, is what I'm trying to say.
For sure, for sure. Okay.
This is where I was saying the RV parking.
Yeah, let me walk down and look at that. A great size yard, pine trees right in the front yard. Really, really nice. So,
And I believe the roof was new in the last 5 years. So,
okay. And this just goes underneath then?
yeah, this is that.
Oh yeah, lots of space in here.
Yeah.
Oh, you could do a ton of things in here.
Yeah, he used it for like auto mechanic type of stuff.
Yeah, wow. Okay. Yeah, definitely if you're looking for a really nice home in Payson, a really, really good deal in Payson, you want to come and take a look at this one. It's a really nice property, as you can see. Has great great elevation and curb appeal. There you go.
406 West St. Moritz in Payson, Arizona. And reach out to us and schedule a time to view.
Thank you for taking this tour with us today. So until next time,
Make it a great day.